Assalamu alaikum students, I'm Zahra Hashmi, your English teacher, and in today's lesson we are going to learn about nouns, inshallah. So let's get started. Naming words are called nouns. So you must be wondering that everything around us has name, isn't it? Yes, and all these words used are called nouns. Nouns are names of people, names of places, names of things, and names of animals. Now, first look at nouns for people girl, boy, baby. All these words are used to name people, and naming words are called nouns. All the members of your family have name mother, father, brother, sister, grandfather, grandmother. All these are naming words, and naming words are called nouns. Friend is also a naming word. Let's look at some other naming words. Doctor, teacher, policeman. All these words are naming words. So naming words are called nouns. People all around the world have names, don't they? And all the words used to name people are nouns. Names of places are also nouns. Are you sitting at your home, in the TV lounge, or in the bedroom? So, your home is a name of a place and it is a noun. Even in your home, there are names of rooms, and those names are nouns. Some other places school, playground, shopping mall. All these words are used to name places and they are nouns. Now, nouns for things. Look around you. Are you sitting on a sofa or a chair? Do you have a table in front of you? Is there a clock in your room? Is there a TV in front of you? All the things around you in your house have names, don't they? And naming words are called nouns. Let's look at some more things. What are these? These are candies. Candies is the name of a sweet treat, isn't it? And candy is a noun. The eggs you eat at breakfast, the yummy strawberry, and the delicious milk and cookies. All are the names of things you eat, and these are all nouns. Noun for animal. The bird is singing, the spider is lurking at the corner of your room. These are names of animals, and hence they are nouns. Have you ever been to zoo? Have you seen an elephant with big ears? Elephant is a naming word, and naming words are called nouns. Let's let's do a small exercise. You have to find names of people, and your options are doctor, cat, table, mum. I know you know it. Mum is a name of a person, and doctor is a name of a person as well. Very well done. Let's move forwards. Which noun is the name of an animal? Is it dog, bat and ball, hat? Think about it. Yes, you're right. It's a dog. You're doing very well. A car is a name of a place or a thing. Think, think. Yes, you're right. Car is a name of a thing. Zoo is a name of thing or a place. It's not that difficult, isn't it? We know that zoo is a name of a place. Very well done. Bravo. Which noun is the name of an animal? Is it a bag or a pencil or a mouse? Easy. It's a mouse. Very well done. A pencil box is a name of place or a thing. Think, think. Yes, you're right. A pencil box is a name of a thing. Now that we know that noun is a name of noun is the name of a person, place, or thing, we are going to identify noun in sentences. Let's get going. Which word is the noun? The sun is hot. In this sentence, think which word is naming something. Think. Yes, you're right. Sun is name of a thing and it is a noun. Let's move to next sentence. The car is fast. So which word is noun? Think about it. Yes, you're right. Car is a word to name a thing and it's a noun. Let's go to the park. Which word is the noun? Think about it. Very well done. Park is a noun because it's a name of a place. I'm a good boy. Which word is the noun? Think about it. Noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or animal. And the sentence is I am a good boy. Yes, you're right. Boy, because boy is a name of a person. Which word is the noun? I have a hen. Think about it. Yes, you're right. Hen is a noun because it's a name of an animal. Did you enjoy identifying noun in sentences? Now I have a homework task for you. Circle the noun. These are five sentences I've written here. I want you to write these sentences on your notebook and circle the noun. I'm going to read these sentences for you. I love my dad. My house is big. The girl is happy. Cow gives milk. The tree is green. You know them, don't you? But you have to write them on your notebook and circle them. Now let's move forward. This is for today. And if you have any questions, if you don't understand anything, want to ask me any question, you can always write to me and I'll get back to you. That's all for today. Have a great day.